with that you could lose your partner or you could lose the person you're trying to save.
What we've done is pretty much bring together a community of cars and a few selected vehicles that you can't even see at your local meets.
I knew Andrew through the car scene. From there, he told me about his fire department.
If we wanted new gear, if one guy has to wait 8 months using hand-me-down gear, we were just tired of it. We said, we gotta think of something.
The reason why I got involved with this charity event was because I wanted to create something that would benefit communities.
They work out of their pockets, so doing a fundraiser helps them gain money. It's all about supporting each other.
Honestly, it feels great knowing that there's so many people out there that are willing to come out of their time, out of their work days, out of their schedule, and make time for us. It's just an awesome feeling.
Having a good time, and that's what these shows are all about.
They give their time and their efforts for your safety. Why can't we come together as a community for them? We want everybody to enjoy the show for what it is.
Volume 1 was actually done by me, sold by myself. It was all right. We had like 100 cars. We raised a little over 2,000 that event. And then this is actually our first event under Xpression, which we're able to raise over $8,000 for the fire department.
But 100% of the money that is coming in is going to the fire department. None of it goes to us personally. No one's getting paid to do things.
Thank you to the firefighters who support and help out everybody.
The proceeds, they go towards the fire department as any way they need it. Maintenance, their uniforms, whatever it might be.
There's so much more than just fires. There's people stuck in elevators. All of a sudden the power goes out in a commercial building. That's it. People get locked out of their car, and people lock their dogs in their car. It's so much more than just waiting around for a fire, because fires don't come as often as you think. It's alarms, fire alarms, CO2 alarms, gas leaks, things like that. You can get called out for a fire alarm at 3 o'clock in the morning, and you can just take a step out of it, and you can get there, and all of a sudden the whole building's on fire. You just never know. So you always have to be 100% aware and, ready to go.